The market for crystal meaning cards is a small one, with surprisingly strong demand and little competition, especially on websites like Etsy and Amazon. These cards clarify the unique energy properties of many stones, offering potential company owners a profitable opportunity. In less than 10 minutes, this article will lead you through the process of launching your own crystal meaning card business using AI, which simplifies everything from product strategy and design to market distinction. Understanding the product and market. Stone meaning cards are frequently used as introductions to the world of crystals, with each card focusing on the unique energy attributes of a certain stone. A quick check on Etsy indicates that there isn't much competition in this area, although a few items consistently bring in sales. Even on Amazon, there isn't much competition, yet demand is still high. Listings for things like printable crystal meaning cards, for instance, may fetch $2,700 or even $7,800 per piece. These cards demonstrate the many options for financial benefit in this field and come in a variety of forms, including square-shaped, editable, and printable ones. I'll demonstrate to you today how to take full use of this chance. Step-by-step guide to starting your business. 1. Research and analyze successful listings. Finding out what is currently successful in the market is the first step. Successful listings on Etsy and Amazon may be analyzed to learn more about what draws people to these goods. Identify bestsellers. Look for the best-selling crystal meaning cards and make a note of their characteristics, including the quantity of cards included in a bundle, the type of design, and the cost. Prosperous vendors frequently sell $50 packages that contain about 400 cards. Customer reviews. Examine evaluations from previous customers to find out what they like and dislike. This input can direct your design decisions and assist you in avoiding typical problems. Organize insights. Create a table to organize your insights, noting down the key elements that make these products successful. This will inform your own product development. 2. Content generation using AI. It might be difficult to manually create hundreds of different crystal meaning cards. However, ChatGPT and other AI technologies greatly simplify this procedure. Use ChatGPT. Provide the AI with criteria for each card, such as the stone's name, meaning, properties, and an affirmation quote. Here's a sample prompt. Generate a crystal meaning card for amethyst, including its name, meaning, properties, and an affirmation quote. Efficiency. Within seconds, you'll have organized, ready-to-use content for multiple cards, saving you countless hours of manual work. 3. Image creation with AI. High-quality, realistic images of the crystals are crucial for making your cards visually appealing. AI-driven tools like Midjourney can help you create these images efficiently. Generate images. Use Midjourney to generate high-quality images of each crystal. Provide specific prompts to ensure the visuals meet your requirements. For example, generate a high-resolution image of an amethyst crystal, focusing on its purple hues and reflective properties. Background removal. After generating the images, use a tool like Canva to remove the backgrounds, preparing them for your card designs. 4. Designing the cards. The design phase involves creativity and the use of powerful design tools like Canva to produce professional-looking cards. Upload images. Upload the AI-generated images to Canva. Use Canva's background removal tool if necessary. Design elements. Experiment with different backgrounds, fonts, and layouts. Canva's drag-and-drop interface allows you to adjust these elements easily. Bulk creation. Use Canva's bulk creation feature to generate multiple card designs at once. By connecting your data file containing stone names, meanings, properties, and quotes to your card templates, you can streamline the process. 5. Diversifying your product offerings. To maximize your revenue potential, it's essential to diversify your product offerings. This involves creating both digital and physical products. Digital products. Start by offering digital downloads of your crystal meaning cards. This format is popular due to its instant accessibility and low overhead costs. Physical products. To differentiate further, offer physical products such as crystal meaning wall art. There's a noticeable gap in the market for such products on platforms like Etsy, presenting a lucrative opportunity. 6. Selling physical products with print on demand. Selling physical products can be done without the hassle of managing inventory, thanks to print-on-demand services like Printify. Use Printify. Integrate Printify with your Etsy store. Select products such as posters and customize them with your designs. Listing products. List these products for sale on your store. With print on demand, you only pay for production when you receive an order, ensuring minimal upfront costs and maximum profit margins. Marketing and scaling your business. Once your products are ready, it's time to focus on marketing and scaling your business. Effective marketing strategies can help you reach a larger audience and increase your sales. Leverage social media and SEO. Create engaging content on social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok to showcase your crystal meaning cards. Use relevant hashtags and SEO strategies to increase visibility. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with influencers in the wellness and spiritual niches to promote your products. This can drive traffic and sales from their follower base. Offer bundles and customization. Create value packs and offer customization options to attract more customers. Bundles can include different types of cards or combine digital and physical products. By using AI techniques and strategic market expertise, you may enter and thrive in the crystal meaning cards sector swiftly. Start by determining what works, use AI to speed up manufacturing, and look at chances for both digital and physical items if you want to profit from this profitable industry. Every action is designed to help you stand out from the competition and increase sales, from developing cards and growing your product range to using AI to create content and assess successful listings. Utilize print-on-demand services to save costs and boost revenue, and employ astute marketing strategies to grow your business. With the help of this comprehensive book, you're well prepared to delve into the realm of crystal meaning cards and start a successful business. I hope your endeavors are successful.